Okay, we got a little, I kind of made a little bit of a channel there. That's where I got all the rock out and built it up there. But you can see it's higher than the grass now, so it never went out where the grass is. So the blowout was right in the middle here. And like I said, it's creek rock, so it is what it is. But I got it built up pretty good. And I packed it down with the tires, so we'll see what happens. And then after I did that, it's fairly thick. But it's pretty good higher than what it was. So this vegetation will grow back up in here. This is all kind of sandy soil now. I scraped all the rock off of it. Now the big test, it's higher. It's going to blow out somewhere else if it's going to blow out, because this is way higher than the ground around it. So let's keep our fingers crossed and see what happens.